Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you week 3, which is January the 20th through the 26th. We're looking at demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. You're going to want to study pages 130 to 131 in your text and review pages 108 to 104, all of chapter 4. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to use demonstrative adjectives and pronouns to make spatial references. You should be able to describe your daily routines and habits and express your personal care needs. You should be able to compare objects and people. You will be asked to read 2 short texts about a day at the beach and about Ignacio Maldonado, a kid who is unlike other kids his age. You should be able to answer some short answer questions on what you've read, which demonstrates your ability to read and comprehend brief passages in Spanish. You should be able to demonstrate your ability to extend and decline invitations, how to use demonstrative adjectives, and how to distinguish between and use the verb saber and conocer. Okay, all of this week's assignments are due by the end of the day, the 23rd. You want to start this week like all others by looking at your instructor-made videos. And after you've watched the videos on the demonstratives, you want to click on the class participation forum, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about material either covered in class or covered in the videos. And remember, if you have no questions or concerns, which may be the case, then you need to post that you have no questions or concerns, but you do have to post something or you would get a 0, and I do not make those up. You also have a reading comprehension quiz, so you'll click on the quiz when you're ready. There are 2 passages. There is Un día en la playa and No es un muchacho típico, so you'll read both of those passages, and then when you're ready, okay, and when you're ready, hit attempt quiz now. We'll say start quiz. There are the passages again. For the first one, you will, so there are some short answer questions. So you'll read through the passages and then answer the short answer questions by filling in the blank. And then you have a bunch of true-false questions as well. When you're done, you'll hit finish attempt and it will come to me. And remember, this is a Moodle quiz, so it has to be manually graded. So you probably won't see your grade until after I have manually graded it. Sorry about that. You also have activities in my language lab. So when you're ready, you'll click on my language labs. And then you'll go to the alarm clock for the 23rd and complete these SAM and extra practice activities. So you click on my language lab, sign in. It should look something like this. You'll go to the course calendar, and then you'll click on the 23rd. And your assignments will pop up in the middle. You'll open them up. You can do them as many times as you would like. I think after the 3rd try, it will give you the right answer, but if you're doing it that many times, you might want to reach out to me for additional help. You also have another cultural assignment. You have Al ver el video, Club Cultural Guatemala. So you'll open this up when you're ready. You'll hit attempt quiz now. And then you're going to read the following questions, then watch the video about Los Mayas in Guatemala. This is your video link, and there are your transcripts. So if you click on the video link, the video will pop up. You can put your closed captions on in English or Spanish, and you can play it. And then you'll see captions while the video is playing. Whoops. Okay, and there's also the transcript link. You'll read through these questions and then you'll pick the answer that best completes the question. And then you'll hit finish attempt and it will come to me. Okay. You also have oral dialogue 1 preparation. We're going to workshop this. So you'll click on oral dialogue 1 when you're ready. And it asks you to answer the following questions. So when you're ready, you'll hit start preparing your submission, and you're going to answer these questions in Spanish and then hit save changes. Remember, this is a workshop, so when the assignment is completed, I'll move the assignment down a week, and then you'll be critiquing a fellow classmate's script for the oral dialogue, as well as I'll be critiquing your scripts. And then the week after that, you'll actually be making a recording. And if you had me last semester, you should know how those work. And that's everything that you have to do for week 3.